To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe Mridula's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Mridula and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I'm going to share with you all is cheese corn roti. It is a snack recipe which is also a great option for kids lunchbox. So let's see what we need for this. To make cheese corn roti we need 2 cups wheat flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt and warm water to make the dough. For its filling, we need 3 cups of cheese. I'm using 1½ cup of mozzarella cheese and 1½ cup of processed cheese. Next, we need 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 medium capsicum finely chopped, 1 cup of boiled sweet corn. This is fresh sweet corn which is boiled with little salt in it. Frozen corn can also be used in this recipe. 6 to 8 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of dry basil, half teaspoon black pepper powder. If you like, you can also use red chili flakes in it. 1 tablespoon oil and salt to taste. First, we need to prepare the dough. It is like the same roti dough that we make. To the wheat flour, add salt and oil. Mix it together. Then add water little at a time and bring the flour together. Once the flour comes together to form a dough, start kneading it for 8 to 10 minutes till the surface of the dough becomes smooth and soft. Apply little oil to the dough. Cover it with wet cloth and keep it aside for at least 20 minutes. Next, we need to prepare the filling. For that, in a pan, heat oil. Add in chopped garlic. Fry this garlic for few seconds. Take care not to burn it. Now add in chopped onions. Saute them on medium flame till they become soft. Add in corn and capsicum. Also add in salt. There was salt added while making dough, also while boiling corn, and the cheese that we are using is also very salty. So add salt just for the veggies. Cook till all the veggies are soft. If you like the raw crunch of veggies, you can skip this cooking step and directly mix it with cheese and herbs. Now allow this to cool down completely. To this cheese, add in dry basil, oregano, and pepper powder. Add in cooked veggies. Mix everything up. The filling is ready. Take a ball of dough and coat with some dry flour. Roll it out to make a roti. The roti shouldn't be very thin or else it will break while cooking. This much thickness is enough. Take some filling and place it on one side of the roti in a semicircle form. Using a knife, cut 1 cm thick roti in this way. Fold the half roti on the filling. Apply water around the edges. In this way, seal the roti. If you fold it this way, you will have filling inside every corner of this roti. Heat a pan on medium-high heat. Place this roti on it. Let it cook from one side. Then flip and cook on other side as well. Apply little oil on the cooked side. Gently press it so that it will get cooked properly from all sides. Don't forget the sides as well. Using a pair of tongs, hold it straight to cook from this side. Our cheese corn paratha or cheese corn roti is ready. Serve it along with some tomato ketchup. I hope you all liked today's video. If you do, then give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe my channel for more yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.